Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm attending Chanel Cruise 2020 event and I'll take you with me. I have been waiting for this collection. I'm so excited to see all the items. I like the new red color. It's very similar to the one we had last year. And I love pastel colors. They're so beautiful and this purple jacket is incredible. Unfortunately, I couldn't try it on. It looks very oversized, but I have to tell you that it's not very thick. It's actually quite light. It's perfect for Singapore weather, but I have to say that it's very oversized. You can even see on the model. And the trousers look so nice. I like all the details. However, the fabric is pretty thick, which is actually very surprising because the jacket is very light. But yeah, I like this combination. Both of them look amazing and I can see that it would look incredible with the Tiffany blue bag or with the white, light pink and the black. Even the black would look great there. And what do you guys think about this outfit? And this vanity case in the blue color. What do you guys think about this one? The light is not great here. As always, Chanel light is very deceiving. It looks pretty dull, but I'm sure in a bright light it would look even better. And here is the Tiffany blue section. There is no classic flap here, but my essay sent to me a picture of it. It's available in MBS. Maybe it's already sold out, but if you're on a hunt for it, you may want to check with your essay. Color is quite similar to the one we had last year. Some SLGs here. And here is the bag that I wanted to see for so long. It's so beautiful. What do you guys think about this shade? It's really gorgeous. I have to say the leather lambskin is a lot thicker this year. And I also like this one. Look at this CC logo. It's stunning. I really love it. They both are gorgeous. Both are in a size rectangular mini. Although I think the purple, the solid color, is a lot easier to style. What do you guys think about this vanity case? It's quite cute too. I love them. I love them all. But I'm still considering whether I should get the purple bag. This is how it looks on me. And I'll try on the other one and show you. I am surprised that the hardware of this one is not in a light gold. I really love this hardware. It's really gorgeous. It looks so special. The more I look at it, the more I like it, but I'm very picky with tweed bags. This one is gorgeous though. But I cannot think of any items from my wardrobe with which I could style this bag. Both of them side by side in a different light. What do you guys think about them? Let me know which one do you like the most. And also, would you buy any of these bags? By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. This one is cute too. And this section actually can be removed. This section. It can be used as a wallet. I love the colors. So pretty. So summery actually. What do you guys think about this? Do you like them? Which one is your favorite color? Please let me know in the comment section below. Purple SLGs are so cute, but I'm not loving the patent. I prefer lambskin, or actually I prefer caviar, but lambskin is a second best for me. What do you guys think about this bag? To me it looks so strange. I don't think I like it. Here are so many people at the event this time. It's very different compared to the last year. It feels really busy, really crowded. I'm trying to film, but it's not easy. I really love the way it was executed last year. I will link down the video from the last year's launch in the description box below so you guys can check it out. By the way guys, what do you think about this bag? I'm not liking it at all. I don't like anything about it except the color. The color is stunning, but the fabric and the logo is just, and yeah, I don't really like it. It doesn't even feel like Chanel to me. I don't know, let me know what you think in the description box below. This bag is quite new, but look at the fabric. It already looks worn out. More super cute SLGs. Loving all of them. The color is really pretty. This blazer looks quite nice. I like it, and I like the top. The embellishment is quite nice, but yeah, I'm not sure if I would buy it. And I like this belt. It's so cute. What do you guys think about it? When I saw it on a runway, I wasn't sure, but actually seeing it in a real life, it's so cute, it's so different. I do like it a lot, and I like it in purple color. Basically, you just have to tie it in. It's like a ribbon. You just tie it in, and that's it. So simple. Really cute. And here we have Tiffany blue in patent. Love the color, don't like the leather. Nope. Not only I don't like the look of it, I also don't like the fact that if you stain patent, you can't take out the stain no matter what. I had some patent shoes and that's what happened to them. So since then, I don't even want to buy patent anymore. What is it? Is it like a bag? Or is it like a bottle? Interesting design. If it's a bag, then nothing can fit in this bag unless you want to carry a lipstick like that. No, thank you, not for me. And this bag is not from this collection. It's from Spring Summer 2019. I featured it in one of my videos, which I will link down below in case you want to have a look. I do like it, but yeah, I wouldn't buy this design. It's cute, but it's not timeless. I really love this top. It's so gorgeous. It's like a crop top. I will show it to you guys up close. I'm really considering getting it. If I can get the purple jacket, which I don't know, I haven't seen it here, but this top would look amazing, just like on the runway. It's beautiful. And here we have some running shoes. Lovely color combinations, but yeah, I don't need any, but these are gorgeous. A smaller version of that bag. Nope, not loving it. This jacket is gorgeous. I really like it. I spotted it on a runway. It's beautiful. I like the shine. Do you guys like it? And this one's, I'm not really sure about the fabric. I'm also not a huge fan of the design. I prefer oversized style. I'm not a big fan of those huge bags like the purple one made of fabric. What do you guys think? Is it just me, or last year's cruise 2019 was a lot more special? I liked so many items from there. I wanted to buy so many things. While here, I only like a few things, maybe 3 jackets, and that's it. And 2 bags maybe 1 bag actually. And look at this bag, like I would never buy this, no way. They also have square mini, which is cute. I like them both. I like square mini and rectangular, but because I already have one square mini, I think I would go for rectangular instead. So here is the jacket that I wanted to try on, and of course I wanted it in purple or at least in pink, but they only have blue left, and I will try it on and see how it feels. Here is another white top, which is cute. You can match it with anything, but I think the pink was better, or some other color. And the skirt. And my friend bought this jacket, which is stunning. I really like it. It's perfect for Singapore. It's not very hot. The sleeves are short. It's amazing, and it goes with so many colors, with red, with white, with black, with pink, with gray, with anything. I like these cardigans too. They're gorgeous. I'm gonna try on that one. I'm waiting for the size 36, and I will show you how it looks on me. Another white jacket, which is cute. I like the fabric. This one is stunning. Chanel jackets are gorgeous, as always. And here's a blue top. I've seen it on the website before. It's nice, but I won't be buying it personally. It doesn't look special. This belt is so cute. And this top. It's pretty, but it's see-through. I didn't realize it's so see-through. Yeah, that's a no for me for sure. And the red bag again. These brooches are so cute. I like them. Finally trying on that blue jacket in a size 36. I like it. Of course not with this outfit, obviously not with a dress. but I like the fabric. It feels so soft and it's so nice, it's cozy. It's such a pretty top. It would be even nicer in purple. And again, that bag in a pink color this time. But actually green, pink and blue and white look quite nice together. That's why I have some of my colorful bags. I use them as a pop of color to elevate any outfit. And I feel like I have enough of those type of special bags. I'm not going to be adding anything to my collection, and I think I'm going to say no to the purple one, although I'm so tempted to get it. I think I want to stick to the classic colors now that I would use on a daily basis or at least once a week. By the way, guys, I have previously posted 2 videos about my Chanel bag collection. There are 2 parts. I will link them down in the description box below. If you haven't watched them, please feel free to check them out. This is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!